If you are encountering a frustrating 508 resource limit reached error on your hosting or account, you are in the right place. This error usually signals that your website has exceeded its allocated resources, often due to faulty plugins or complex redirect loops. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue so your site is back online quickly. If this guide helps you resolve your server problems, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with future web development tips. Let us get started. First, log into your hosting account and navigate to the website's dashboard. From there, select the specific site you are currently having trouble with and open the File Manager. This is where we will investigate the root cause of your server issues. The first thing you should check is your .htaccess file for any infinite redirect rules. If you find complex or incorrect code in there, try renaming the .htaccess file to .htaccess_backup and then refresh your website to see if it loads correctly. If the site comes back up, you know the issue was within that configuration file. If that does not solve the problem, the next step involves checking your WordPress plugins. You can disable all of them at once by locating the wp-content directory and renaming the plugins folder to something like plugins-disabled. By doing this, you are effectively cutting off any background scripts that might be hogging your site resources. After renaming the folder, try accessing your site again. If it loads, you can then rename the folder back to its original name and manually reactivate your plugins one by one until you find the culprit that triggers the 508 error. Once you identify the specific plugin or the incorrect redirect rule, you can either delete the plugin or correct the code in your HTACCESS file to ensure your site runs smoothly again without bumping into those pesky resource limits. It's a simple process once you know where to look. I hope this walkthrough helps you regain control of your hosting environment. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to support the channel by hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and good luck troubleshooting.